Hello friends, here on this video how to fix incoming call ringing but not showing on Realme phone. So friends, before we fix this incoming ringing but not showing problem on your mobile phone, so friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, you have to move on file, then you are going to file on the screen, click on apps. From here you have to tap on system apps, then you have to scroll down. Android system, you have to clear the data. Okay, clear the data, click on back button, scroll down, phone services, storage usage, clear the data. Okay, after clearing data, you have to press on your call app, then move on this app information. You have to allow the permissions, call logs, camera, contacts, microphone, notification, phone, SMS. You have to allow this all. Okay, if you don't allow this all, then how can this incoming call will show? If you don't allow the notifications, then incoming calls will not show. Okay, that's why you have to allow it. See, under the incoming call, what you are going to form: ringtone, vibrate, incoming calls, background, missed calls, outgoing calls, this everything it will show here under this notification. That's why you have to allow. And if you don't allow this microphone, then you cannot talk or you cannot show. I think you cannot talk. Okay, that's why you have to allow. And if you don't allow the camera, then video call will not show. Okay friends, that's why you have to allow this one. So friends, hope you understand how you can fix this problem that you are facing. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.